How to write a narrative essay in less than 5 minutes. So if you are told to write a narrative essay, what should you do? So what is a narrative essay? A narrative essay, in simple terms, is a story. You are simply telling a story of an event. Okay? So choose an event that you are familiar with. Don't choose something that you cannot remember. Mm? So the first thing you need to do is to start by choosing a meaningful personal experience that you want to share, and it has a very clear point or theme. Then you need to select a specific moment or event to focus on and ensure that whatever you are saying is engaging and your audience can relate to it. Then you need to structure. Number 3, you need to structure your essay right from the beginning, where you have an interesting hook. The first sentence will be interesting. It should hook the readers to read more. The structure should also have a middle section, that is the main body, then the end, or what we call the conclusion. Then you need to use a chronological order to organize your essay. Lastly, but not least, you need to use vivid descriptions in terms of language. Okay, when somebody is listening to your story, even if they close their eyes like this, they can visualize what you are saying. For example, if you are talking about your first date, how you had a worst experience during your first date, you can describe the kind of person you are dating. If you are a lady, you can describe the man was wearing a black t-shirt with some sneakers. You see, they are creating mental images that someone can see with the eyes. So sensory details, something someone can feel with the hands. Okay, it helps to bring the story to life. Then one more tip, a tip for writing a narrative essay, is to use dialogue. Okay, use dialogue in your essay and ensure that you develop your characters. For example, if you are talking about the first date, you want to develop the character. Who are the main characters? Is it you and the other person you are dating? How did you meet? You met on Facebook, or you met on this other social networking or dating sites. Okay, then you ensure that it has a central conflict. This is an important tip that most people will not tell you. A conflict makes a story interesting. Okay, so if the date ended up with a very bad experience, whereby maybe the person slapped you because of talking badly towards him, that is the conflict, and it should come out. It makes the whole narrative interesting. Lastly, once you've written that, you ensure that you revise and edit your essay to ensure that it has some clarity. Your sentences should be clear. Your essay should have very clear sentences, and your paragraph should be coherent. Okay, your conclusion should be something that ties up the main theme. If your main theme is dating, say something about dating to conclude your narrative essay. I hope this tutorial makes sense to you. If you have difficulties in starting to write an essay, you can give me a call. We can talk over the essay. You can get started. We can discuss the difficulties you are facing. Yeah, and that is it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.